इन्फोमा मार्केट्स इन इंडिया द्वारा भारत की प्रमुख सुरक्षा एवं अग्नि प्रदर्शनी सेफ वेस्ट इंडिया की मुंबई के बॉम्बे एग्जीबिशन सेंटर में शुरुआत हुई। 9 से 11 मई 2024 के बीच आयोजित ये प्रदर्शनी उद्योग जगत के दिग्गजों, सरकारी अधिकारियों एवं अन्य प्रतिभागियों को ऐसा मंच प्रदान करेगी जहां उन्हें औद्योगिक सुरक्षा क्षेत्र के अवसरों एवं चुनौतियों पर चर्चा करने का मौका मिलेगा। सेफ वेस्ट के दौरान कमर्शियल सुरक्षा एवं निगरानी से जुड़े समाधानों एवं रुझानों की व्यापक रेंज पेश की जाएगी, जिन्हें निवारक तकनीकों और इनोवेशंस के साथ पश्चिमी भारत के बाजार के लिए तैयार किया गया है। सीसीटीवी, सर्विलांस, बायोमेट्रिक्स, एंट्रेंस ऑटोमेशन, एक्सेस कंट्रोल, जीपीएस, वाईफाई राउटर, आरएफआईडी, स्पायर कैमरा, पीओई स्विच, पावर सप्लाई और सीसीटीवी केबल में विशेषज्ञ ब्रांड इस प्रदर्शनी में हिस्सा ले रहे हैं। सेफ वेस्ट इंडिया 2024 के उद्घाटन समारोह में हिस्सा लेने वाले गणमान्य दिग्गजों में शामिल थे संजीव तिवारी, ARVP, ASIS वेस्ट इंडिया रीजन, संदीप सब्रवाल, असिस्टेंट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट कॉर्पोरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, आदित्य बिरला मैनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन प्रा लिमिटेड, विजय गोयल, उपाध्यक्ष, ट्रेड एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, प्रोफेसर अमोल देशमुख, पुलिस एवं साइबर एडवाइजर, गृह मंत्रालय, महाराष्ट्र सरकार, योगेश मुद्रास, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, इन्फोमा मार्केट्स इन इंडिया, पंकज जैन, सीनियर ग्रुप डायरेक्टर और डिजिटल हेड, इन्फोमा मार्केट्स इन इंडिया।
I am very happy to be a part of this mega event on the security and fire. It's a pleasure to address this August gathering.
I'm Yogesh Mudras, welcoming you all to this media briefing at Safe West India, and let me first introduce the panelists who have joined us here for the media briefing. Sitting next to me is Mr. Ashish Dhakan. He is the CEO and Managing Director of Prama and Equigen in India. Sitting next to him is Colonel Sandeep Sabharwalji, who is Corporate Head Security, Aditya Birla Group. And next to him is Pankaj Jain, who is our Senior Group Director at Inform Markets India, and also the Digital Head. We are also going to be joined by Mr. Professor Amol Deshmukh, who is Police and Cyber Advisor, Department of Home, Government of Maharashtra shortly. So just thank you first of all for joining us here today. I think the reason for this entire event is it's an event which is to do with all the commercial security products, which will include all the CCTV, access control, biometrics, GPS, boom barrel, everything which goes to within the commercial security domain in India. This is our launch, the second edition of this event, which we launched last year. This started for our connection and for markets in India with security portfolio started 16 years back when we launched IFSEC in India in Delhi, and it has already done 16 editions. That's the largest security show in South Asia. Then we moved to Chennai, where we launched the South India edition of this show called Safe South. And now when we identified there is a need for this vertical in Mumbai and the Western India, we launched the show last year. So this year the show is we have received a great support from all the leading domestic and international brands who present at this show this year. There are over 75 brands which are exhibiting some of the most innovative state-of-the-art technologies in the commercial security domain. We have a conference which is going to take place, which has over 40 eminent speakers of this industry talking over 12 different sessions about what are the challenges of this industry and what are the trends in this industry. Some very insightful topics talking about artificial intelligence and different new verticals in this domain. And of course, I think we are expecting over 5,000 trade business visitors to come in. This is a trade show, so this is not a consumer show. So there will be 5,000 business visitors who will come in, and definitely they are going to place big orders over here, and all this.
Shishpi Dhakan, Managing Director and CEO of Prama and Prama Equigen India Private Limited, and we are associated with Informa Market since they, I think, started their first IPSEC since 2008. Sir? 2007, yeah. So started from 2007 onwards, and it is almost like 17 odd years. And we are partnered with them in almost each and every shows. Chennai, we are there, and this is second edition of Safe West at Mumbai. And I wish great success to Safe always. At Prama, we are like making India visions of government of India.
From the startup points, we want to encourage new startups in the technology sectors. Apart from that, as told that we make in India, so government is boosting all the plants which are going for make in India opportunities. And apart from that, whatever technology showcase, so there are a lot of stalls or nothing and visiting the stalls, and definitely they are going to see this technology and implement the policy making, and soon you will be able to see some of these in the roads.
And thank you so much for joining again, and please spread the message. This show is here for 3 days. Anybody connected with the security domain, please request them to visit the show, and thanks for spreading the word. Thank you.